Welcome! This video will show you how to integrate Peerceptiv into your Canvas course. After your institution has configured Peerceptiv for Canvas, you can add it to your courses and assignments, making access single sign-on and seamless for you and your students. To get started, go to your Canvas course. If you're using Canvas, it's important that you and your students always access Peerceptiv through Canvas and do not log in via our website. When you are ready to add a Peerceptiv assignment to your course, go to the Assignments page and click on the Plus Assignment button. Enter the assignment name and description. Then choose the number of points the assignment will be worth in Canvas. After the assignment is complete, Peerceptiv will send a percentage grade back to Canvas, and it will be automatically converted to the equivalent point value in the Canvas gradebook. Click the down arrow for Submission Type and select External Tool. Search and find Peerceptiv or enter this URL. It's important to check the box for Load this tool in a new tab. Peerceptiv works better for all users if the page loads outside of the Canvas iframe. In the Assign section, we recommend setting the due date with the same date as your submission deadline, and that you leave the available dates open and blank. Students will need to access the assignment throughout all of the assignment phases and be able to view results. Click Save. Now, click on the newly created assignment link that says to load it in a new window. The first time you do this in a new Canvas course, you will need to create a new course in Peerceptiv. The course name in Peerceptiv should match your Canvas course name, as the two courses will be linked. Enter your discipline and institution. Make sure that the year, semester, and time zone are correct. You can add a label to identify different sections or add other identifying information. We generally recommend keeping sync mode for our standard experience with set assignment deadlines and accuracy-based grading. Async mode is less commonly used and offers a self-paced experience with threshold grading. Please contact Peerceptiv support for more information if you think you may be interested in async mode. Click Create. After creating the new course, we recommend closing the Peerceptiv tab, refreshing Canvas, and clicking the assignment level link again. If everything is set up correctly, you should now launch to the assignment creation screen. The easiest way to create an assignment is to choose a standard workflow that corresponds to the type of assignment you want to run. Enter your assignment name and description. Set the deadlines for each phase and click Finish. Now, whenever you click your Canvas assignment link, you should always launch to the Peerceptiv assignment dashboard you see here. Some instructors may want to add Peerceptiv as a course level link in the Canvas sidebar. To do this, go to Settings and then Navigation. Peerceptiv should be at the bottom of the list. Click and drag it to the place you would like it to be on the left side navigation bar. Then click Save. When you click the course navigation link, you will launch to the course level in Peerceptiv. It's important that you do not create assignments or attempt to do group sync after launching from the course level link in Canvas. If you do, they will not be properly connected to Canvas and group sync will not work. You should always create an assignment in Canvas first to create a matching assignment in Peerceptiv, and launch from the assignment level link to do group sync. Adding students. The first time you correctly launch from Canvas to a newly created Peerceptiv course, your Canvas roster will be automatically imported into Peerceptiv. You can view this from the roster button in the top navy bar or on the Progress tab. If you create a group peer assessment or peer evaluation assignment, you're able to add groups via group sync. This will transfer a set of groups in Canvas directly to the assignment in Peerceptiv. To do this, click on Groups, then click Group Sync. Any groups you have in Canvas will be automatically imported. Lastly, make sure your assignment will be ready for students by editing the settings and adding a rubric. Thank you for watching this video. Please refer to our knowledge base help articles to learn how to edit your assignment settings or how to build a rubric for your assignment. If you have questions about Peerceptiv, please email support@peerceptiv.com.